Hello and welcome to the Goes to 11 Vise Squad, brought to you by the Andromus Fly Company. My name is Bryce Miller and I am your Sunday host. Today at the Vise I'm going to show you how to tie a royal Wulff. Start by starting your thread, starting about halfway, a little bit less than halfway, and then bringing it all the way almost to the bend of the hook. Alright, now we're going to use moose body hair, tie in her tail. I used about 8 to 10 hairs here. You don't want anything too thick because it'll make your body too big. Your underfur out of it. Not a lot of underfur in moose body hair, but there is some. First of all, it'll soak up water on top. To give you less buoyancy. Second of all, it will kind of look bad, it's scraggly. It'll show. Best just pull that out. And then make it one hook length, hook shank length. And then tie it in right on top of the fly. Make sure it's on top of the shank. And then continue on. About where you started your thread, pull it up, snip it off. Alright, now we're going to continue to wrap our thread up to the eye, and then back to about right there. We use calf tail as the upright split wing. With the calf tail, you want to make sure you get from the bottom of the tail. That way you get the shorter, more stacked fibers. Otherwise, it gets really difficult to get those fibers aligned for the wing. Pull out the longer hairs. Try to stack it in your hand. Alright, now I'm going to tie it in so that the wing is just in front of the eye. Pull it up, tie in a thread dam. We're going to split the wings with our fingers and then continue the thread in that manner. A couple more wraps behind. We're going to take off these ends. Make sure you do not get the moose mane tail in there, or else you're going to end up snipping it and have to restart the fly. Been there, done that. Fibers that are kind of escaping on us. And cover this up. We snipped it in a taper, that way it does not disrupt the body too much. The wrap in front, split it one more time, and bring it back. Now at this point I like to snip all these crazy ones, that way they're out of my way in the next couple steps. Those are the shorter fibers that you just didn't quite get. Alright, we are back to the tail. Next, we're going to grab peacock herl. I like to use 2 strands here. Tie it in. Grab 1, 2 on the body. Tie it off. Blocking the camera here. Right, and then we're going to use red floss. Doesn't have to be red floss, you could use chartreuse, yellow, really anything, but the historically traditional royal Wulff uses red floss. 1, 2, 3, 4. tie it off once again here. Snip off these loose pieces that kind of got away from me. Cover them up a little bit. And then we're going to tie back in our peacock herl. Finish the body. And we're going to tie it off once again. That way we have enough room to tie in our hackles. Scoop around this floss, that way it shows nice and clear. Alright. Next step is going to take, I like to take 2 hackles on this. This is Whiting Farms Natural Brown Dry Fly Hackle. Tie right there. Try to keep a nice flat base, that way when you start wrapping you don't have any issues. Stowaways here. Right. And then 1, 2 in the back. Pull the wings forward. 1, 2 in the front. Catch these feathers with your thread. Pull back. And we're going to make a bit of a thread head. That way we can finish off this fly. Snip. Continue to build up that head. I like to whip finish, or sorry, I don't like to whip finish. I like to half hitch finish. That's what we're going to do here. Whip finish works perfectly fine. It's not my preferred method. I like having the control of a half hitch. Snip off our thread. And then at this point, I like to make sure everything's aligned. Take my bodkin, work each fiber back together. Make sure nothing's loose in there. If I got a couple crazy fibers like this, I'll snip them. And there you go. You have the Royal Wulff. Thank you for watching today's segment. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking to buy some great outdoors gear, fishing gear, or even fly tying supplies, go to our store at www.fishingandoutdoors.ca. For Canadian shoppers, if you are in the US or international, use www.fishingandoutdoors.net. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and also click that subscribe button and the little reminder bell so that you don't miss any future episodes. I am your new Sunday host, and I can't wait to have more of these videos. See you guys next week.